Hi, this is Lily Knott.
And I'm Anita.
Today we will be covering the skills how to make a regression line on a scatter plot,
How to make a residual plot.
and how to find the slope, intercept, correlation, r-squared. To find a regression line using a scatter plot, select both x and y columns. Go to the insert ribbon and select the scatter plot option. You can cut and paste so that it is up here with the rest of your data. To put in the regression line, click on the scatter plot, go to Design, click Add Chart Element, click on More Trendline Options. Make sure it's on Linear, then click on Display Equation on Chart and Display R-squared value on chart. And then you can move these up here so they're easier to see and make them a bigger font. You can also make the regression line easier to see. And make it bigger.
Next, you can check your slope and intercept by finding them directly from the data. To do that, you go equals slope. Then you do your y values, comma, your x values. Enter. And you can see that it matches what you have on the equation here. Slope tells you that for every increase in x, y will increase by that amount. So here it means for every year of education you get, your yearly earnings will increase by 4,500. To find intercept, you would go to equals intercept. Again, you do your y values, comma, x values, enter, and you see that it also matches what you have on the equation here. This means that when you have 0 years of education, your earnings will be negative 25,000, which doesn't seem very accurate.
To find the correlation, do equals coral. And for this one, you do x, comma, y equals okay, the correlation tells us, or for this example, r is 0.435, which tells us that the xy relationship is positive and it is weak. Moderate is moderate. Maybe weak. To find r squared, it equals RSQ. And just click on your R. Enter. I'm not sure if that works. Just kidding. Let's just do equals R. You can square that number. That works too. It's already a percentage, which is what you want it to be, and it matches R squared for our equation. The R squared tells you how much the change in the Y values is caused by the X. For example, 18.95% of the change in yearly earnings is caused by education.
Lastly, you can make a residual plot from this data. You go to Data Analysis, you click Regression, OK, you input your y range, and then your x range. You check off the residual plots box, and you can name the page you're going to put it on. Click OK, and it shows up. Here we can see the plot kind of has a pattern, so this regression line may not actually work. But we could kind of tell that from how it looked anyway. Residuals tell you the difference between the actual y points and the predicted y points. It seems that most of the residual points are above 0, which means our regression line is too low.
That's it for our video. You learned how to make a regression line on a scatter plot, how to make a residual plot, how to find slope and intercept, and how to find correlation R squared.